My name's Elizabeth, and today we are doing the review on Wake Up Light. So, here's a picture. So, the features of this Wake Up Light is, it comes with sunrise simulation, alarm clock, touch sensor, living colors, and dimmable warm white light. Open it up. Instructions, just what I need.
Oh, a manual.
And a cord. And styrofoam. Back off. Ooh, pretty top. Okay, so...
It's rechargeable.
Yes, it can recharge. So it recharges with USB. So now to show the cool effects. So, first things first, let's show you the sound. So...
Is that wake up sounds?
Wake up sounds.
Okay. Now use...
That's the first one. That's the second. Third. Fourth. And fifth. So those are the sounds. Now I turn this off. There you go. So now let's show you the light. So first things first. How about color? Colors. How about white? Brighter white? Really bright light? Or color?
The color's not really shining through very good.
So red.
And color you can
Orange. Yellow. Green.
changes automatic.
Blue, turquoise, blue, and purple. So it's a rainbow. Because there's red, orange, yellow,
Basically,
green, blue,
looks like it
purple.
goes through all the colors now.
Yeah. And then you can obviously turn it off at the top. Then light. It's, you can change the time at the bottom, you can do the alarm clock at the bottom, you can do the sounds at the bottom, and you can charge it with a USB.
How easy is it to see the clock?
It's pretty easy, especially with the lights off, but for now...
So you like it?
Yeah, I actually like it a lot.